All right, YouTube, update on the Silverado. Finished with the DOD delete. I know I said it back in I think December, January. I can't remember, but yeah, I've been busy. But here's the update. I got the Summit cam from Summit Racing. It's a 218, 227 lift. Yeah, just update, clear headlights. It is roughly a 6-7 drop on 26s. I just got my LEDs yesterday from Anzo. Better than the stock looking tail lights. I'll give you a startup. Has right now just stock manifolds with a Super 10, but that's what it lopes. That's the Summit Racing 218, 227 cam. I did tune it myself, just street tune. So I do need to go on a dyno so I get really good tune, but I'm learning. It idles, runs, no check engine line, nothing. From I got HP tuner. I just look on forums to figure out how to tune it the best I can, and so I had this tune on there for a while. Those are switchbacks. Oh, there she is. Let me know what you think. That's my new project. I still got the Denali. My wife drives that one. This is my new project. I want to try to make her fast. Right now it's a 5.3. I'm either going to get a 6.2 or 6.0 or maybe a stroked 408. I'm not sure yet. It's just a work in progress. Let me know what y'all think.